Hi everybody, this is Leek McGillivray from Arts and Crafts by Leek, and I made two different signatures, journals to go on a trip to Paris for a mother and a daughter. So it was one package from Joey, the little flower shop, and it was Paris. So they're going to Paris. So I thought, well, let's make them a nice brochure to put their adventures in, their memories and their souvenirs, their tickets, like this. So I'll start with the mother. The mother is in green because she loves green. She loves plants, and the girl loves lila. So I made a closure that is hey, it should be able to open this. Okay, back to the drawing boards. But it's a stick, a bow, and this is the front, the cover, and the inside, the middle page. I printed out twice, and I used my alcohol marker to make it a little bit different. You see, this was the original color, and here I put some green on to make a little bit difference, and it fits with the color of the ribbon. So I made two pockets. The pockets were original in the package, and these cards also, just to make some writing and maybe do some pictures or put something in. And I made a little file folder to fill it up with a little tea-dyed paper. So extra journaling spots. And I divided a little bit the greenish orangey for the mother, and the pink and the purple for the daughter. So I divided the package in two, and I put some just some green papers in. So that's and this is also from Joey, the back sides. So this is the meaning, that the purpose for a picture. And now I think I need to make some for the girl too. So that is going to be an extra. But now do the flip through. And yeah, those colors are very nice. I love this, the atmosphere it brings. So just made a little booklet with a tag and a little card and a little tuck spots. These were also in the package already. So Joey makes it very easy for you to make something quick. Yeah, the middle page, and I just started with ribbon, and I like it. The little envelope I made with a closure like this, and I put in some of the cards that I didn't use, so they can play with what's left of it. So I made a tuck spot from the banners that Joey made. Just a little green in the inside. So it's a little bit, yeah, how you call it? I try to keep it as plain as possible. Lovely, lovely. So I think this should be here with a little belly bands, and also the cards can put in, and don't know if I had more pockets in this one. But I love those colors. No, that was it. So, and now I think maybe this should have been in something else. I don't know. But the other is already in that pocket. There is no other pocket, so no. Maybe it should be with the other. Where it is. Here. But there's also no... Not a... But okay. Maybe I should have been doing that double. But it fits in here. So, yeah, just like this. And like this. And maybe you can put some more in. But this is the one for the mother. Oh, I totally forgot to make angels. I'll have to make those. But, you know, I had done those. So, in the other, you have to search for the angels. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. But I'll close it like this. I don't know if it still can be opened. I'll try to close it again afterwards. Because I need to make the angels. So this one is for the girl with a purple ribbon. The same, only this is then purple. I made a little tuck spots and two of the cards. Well, it's almost like mother and daughter. And I found this one might be nice to go with. Little piece. Yeah, there was one of this, and I thought this might be nice just to fold it. And these are the two pockets that Joey also made for this. So it's a great combination. It's almost like it was meant to be. And this is my trick for that it doesn't go out that much. That's easy. So I put a little picture here on to keep it from falling. Another double pocket from Joey. Lovely cards. A lovely deck. And lovely mini cards. So lots of space to write of her adventures. Another card and tuck spots. Yeah, maybe the other card should have been in this one. I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Now I see this. I switched them. Yeah, duh. See? I already was thinking there's something. Oh, let's put this one somewhere else. So I made another envelope. So I took some paper extra to even it up with a little writing spots. So and the same not so hidden paper clip. So here I have to make the angels on. I'll make a picture and that will be the picture so you can see the angels I made. Oh, and here's the other one. Okay, so she has two of those pockets. That's okay. So another cards in here. So I made a triple pockets with 2 of these cards and 1 in between. So 2 of these. I just kept them together and folded them like the bigger one. So it's nice. And I think it's really nice that the colors, the purple and the orange, come back in this paper. So I was lucky to still have that lying around. So, and I made a big hangover. You can put pictures on. Maybe there's a photo booth. I would love to see them make pictures in a photo booth. That would be funny. And yeah, those papers are so lovely from Joey. This is not how it's supposed to be. Nice. And I made another similar pocket like the other one. And well, I can put it here. Is there more pockets? No, this is it. So they can both go in here and a little like this. So I think this is it. So I'll finish it up. I'll make 2 angels and then I'll make the picture and then it's finished. So I hope I can get it in time to my friends. So these are those. Thanks, Joey. It wasn't a freebie, but I really think that Joey gives your money worth in things, pockets and cards and yeah, pages. I really think these his designs are complete. Yeah, and it's just that I make something more because I divided it in 2. But yeah, this might be one lovely journal together. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Bye.